Industrial safety is not just a regulatory requirement. It's about saving lives and protecting your business. In India alone, over 3,300 deaths were reported in industrial sectors between 2018 and 2020. Industrial safety incidents lead to worker compensation claims, production downtime, increased insurance premiums, and loss of skilled labor. Every industry faces unique safety challenges, with regulations varying by sector, geography, and the potential risks. Whether in oil and gas, manufacturing, mining and ports, or pharmaceuticals, traditional safety compliance processes are manual and prone to errors, leading to costly audits and more incidents. ViXR Engage transforms safety compliance through AI-powered automation, offering seamless customer onboarding to get your business up and running efficiently. Our visual Gen AI scans industrial environments, detects safety risks, and suggests appropriate actions, such as recommending safety signage for a particular region. It also aids in product placement, ensuring the right safety measures are implemented where they're needed the most. Our system operates in real time, identifies risks, and can be trained on any industrial safety standards, like OSHA, ANSI, and NFPA, providing targeted solutions for safety challenges, including lockout-tagout procedures, electrical safety measures, as well as arc flash safety protocols. ViXR generates compliance reports with product recommendations, streamlining the process. We help your business stay compliant, protect your workers, and avoid safety incidents at your facility. Contact us today to learn more or schedule a demo.